Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. And today I've got a tip and trick number 6 for you today. Now, many of you may know some diamond paintings come with an opaque cover and some diamond paintings come with a clear cover. Now, if you have been one of those people that get a diamond painting with a clear cover, or many of them, some people like to keep the clear cover on. I, for one, personally, I prefer to take all the clear cover paper off and replace them with cover sheets. But that's just because I like to section it off and not see the rest. But many people do like to work with the clear cover. Sometimes even people that don't necessarily work with the clear cover may take the cover off. And I know I've definitely done this at least once. I don't know if anybody else has. But if you take the clear cover all the way off, you look at the painting, you decide to go put it back, what many people don't realise is that one side of the cover paper, of this type of cover paper, will go back on and peel back off quite nicely. The other side, not so much. It will stick on and it will come off, but you have to really pull it. So I'm really pulling that quite a bit to get the wrong side to come off. There is definitely one side of this that should be used more so than the other side. And of course, you end up with static and it's not stuck itself down right. So let me just get that a little bit straighter. It's not as straight as it was, but it's better. So if you do like to use this cover paper, this clear paper while you're working and move it up, or if you think at some point you may be taking it off and may potentially need to put it back on, I do highly recommend that you make note of which side is which. So there's one easy way. I do this on all of my paintings, is I have a sticker that tells me the name of it. So this one's Sleeping Fox. It's a 30 by 40. It's from FG Normal and it's in round. Now I have a sticker with exactly the same information on it that is with the diamonds. So to me, that will automatically tell me this is the way, this is the face up way for the cover sheet. You can put any sort of sticker on here to let you know that. It could be a sticker off an apple. It could just be one of your round or square stickers from kitting up a painting. You can also use washi tape. So we did mention washi tape in the last tip and trick. Some people like to sort of mini section off their diamond painting with washi tape, a bit like this, you know, say, okay, that section, and they like to do it with their clear cover, and then when they do peel it back they can sort of see where they're getting up to. But I do recommend, whichever way you want to do it, that you do put some form of marking on the top section of your cover paper or your clear sheet. Something as small as a sticker or something as big as washi tape. I do recommend that you put something on it so that if for any reason you peel off the whole top sheet, you know which way to put it back. Because while I only did a little section upside down and it took me quite a bit to get it pulled up and back straight, I mean, not this way round, it's a lot quicker, even if I can't do it without crinkling it. But when I turned it over, it was only a little section. Sometimes you can do it on a big section if you're not slow enough peeling it off, or if the film quality on the top is not as nice a quality, is not as thick, it can rip. And that can then cause you even more problems because it's hard to see, it's clear, and it covers up your sticky. So that's my tip for today. If you are using clear covers and that whether they stay on there and there's a chance of you removing it or putting it back on, put a sticker on it. Any size sticker, anyway, just one that you can tell which is face up and which is face down. So don't do a white sticker with a white back, because white is white. Maybe you'll decide to label yours up, maybe not. But maybe just do one with your name on it. This is mine. Or something like that. But I do recommend doing something like that on each clear cover that you've got. And then that should save you from potentially making a mistake in the future and putting it on the wrong way around. Mistakes do still happen, but hopefully this little tip will help you not make this mistake anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.